The Nvidia RTX 3080 has been just announced and it's coming very soon. So let's take a look at it with this video of the 2080 Ti versus the 3080. Hi friends, welcome to Victor's Reality. Today we're going to be seeing a side-by-side release by Nvidia showcasing Doom Eternal on the 2080 Ti versus the 3080. Now this is running at 4K maximum settings and it's just showing you how much more advanced the 3080 is versus the 2080 Ti. Now currently I have an Aorus RTX 2080 Extreme that I overclock and I get amazing performance. I have never had any problems with my graphics card. Now to power the new Samsung Odyssey G7, which is a VA panel at 240Hz at 1440p, this card will let me achieve 240Hz to be able to enjoy my new monitor. Now of course also if you're running a Dell S3220 DGF, like I currently still do, that will easily let you play at maximum settings and hitting that 165 FPS that you want that's on that amazing VA panel. This is an amazing feat. With new technology, with new architecture, this graphics card is looking amazing, and I believe these are priced accordingly because the new next generation consoles are coming out very soon among the new AMD graphics cards that will give Nvidia competition. So it's amazing to see that we get all this awesome technology at really good prices. Now with the 3080 we have 8704 CUDA cores, 10 gigabytes of memory, 320-bit memory interface. It is running a 2x PCIe 8-pin connector, and the PSU required is at 750 watts, and with the graphics card power being 320 watts. This is a 2-slot design and with a maximum GPU temperature of 93°C. What you want to do to get the maximum frames on this graphics card is to make sure you maintain and stay under that 93°C. It is HDMI 2.1 compatible, so you'll be able to run this at 4K at 120Hz on your monitor through HDMI. Of course with the 4K 120Hz monitor that has the HDMI 2.1 port. And also, next generation consoles will handle that port also, so these future 4K 120Hz monitors are looking better every day as you'll be able to have your PC and console gaming, so those monitors will be a very good dual purpose monitor. So this is just to show the graphics capability of the 3080 versus the 2080 Ti, and it looks amazing and it's very affordable. And this will be on the channel very soon. And coming up, I'll be showcasing the Aorus RTX 3080 Extreme, as that would be a good follow-up to my 2080 Extreme that I currently use right now. On the 3080, you can see it has GDDR6X memory reimagined. It's ultra fast, and as you can see on the benchmarks, the 1080 versus the 2080 versus the 3080, with the 3080 offering a lot of performance versus the 2080, and also showing the ultra bandwidth that the 3080 with the GDDR6X provides versus other types of memory. But the game is running smooth, everything looks beautiful, and it is a big improvement over a 2080 Ti. And of course I'm going to be able to see a massive difference compared to the standard 2080 versus the 3080. That is going to be a massive jump, and it will let me achieve higher FPS on my ultra fast monitors. And don't forget to check out my other Aorus videos where I have many gameplay and benchmarks among monitors like the Samsung Odyssey G7 and the Dell S3220 DGF. Those are my displays of preference, and you can see if those monitors are on your radar to display the beautiful graphics that the RTX 3080 will be able to provide. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss out on a future video. I'll see you guys next time. And here I'll leave you with some full screen gameplay of the demo in case you want to see a bigger screen.
Is now.
I thought you would appreciate the century I chose. The great Argadon hunters from the Telos realm, though long thought to be extinct, created to hunt only the Slayer and his Night Sentinels during the Unholy Crusades. Some improvements on their design have been made. Enjoy what is undoubtedly my finest work.
3, 2, 1.